Meaning of flatly.
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 Flatly. Flatly means in a direct, blunt, or uncompromising manner without showing any emotion or hesitation. It is often used to describe someone's tone or delivery of a statement. When someone speaks flatly, they may appear uninterested or disengaged. By using a monotone voice with little variation in volume or pitch, the speaker may convey a lack of enthusiasm or conviction. This can affect how the listener perceives the message and can create a sense of detachment or disinterest.